Hello students, today I am going to discuss class 12th math exercise 5.3. Question number 1, it is given that 2x plus 3y is equals to sin x. So firstly we will take one variable at one side. So I make 3y is equals to sin x minus 2x at right hand side of equal sign. Okay, so after that differentiating with respect to x, then we will write d over dx of 3y is equals to d over dx of sin x minus 2x. Okay, now see, we are differentiating with respect to x, and here it is y, so we will note it. See, 3 is constant, so it will be 3 here, and we will note 3 dy upon dx. See, if it will be only dx by dx, then we can write it 1. Okay, but see, it is dy by dx, so this y will not be differentiated with respect to x. It will be written as y's differentiation, but we have to note it dy by dx. Okay, so 3 dy by dx is equals to, it will be sin x. What is differentiation of sin x? It is cos x, minus differentiation of 2x is 2. Okay, we will get dy by dx is equals to cos x minus 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Now taking question number 2. Question number 2 states that 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y. We will go with similar process as in previous question. We will note down 2x is equals to sin y minus 3y. Now differentiating with respect to x, d over dx of 2x is equals to d over dx of sin y minus 3y. See, what will be your next step? Differentiation of 2x with respect to x. See, d by dx of x is 1, this 2 is constant. Okay, and it will be 2. After that we will get to right hand side d by dx of sin y, but we are differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so we will note down as, what is differentiation of sin y? It is cos y, and we will note dy by dx minus dy by dx, and it will be 3 d by dx with respect to y. We get differentiation of y, only differentiation of x will be 1, so differentiation of y it comes 1, and dy by dx, so we will note down minus 3 dy by, it will be dx. Okay, now we will take common dy by dx from here, dy by dx from here, it will be cos y minus 3, it will be dy by dx. So our answer will be dy by dx is equals to 2 upon cos y minus 3. Okay, now I am moving to next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. It is given that ax plus by square is equals to cos y. Ax plus by square is equals to cos y. It will be ax is equals to cos y minus by square. See, try to understand the process by which means I am expressing it. Okay, now we will differentiate it with respect to x, then we will note down a t by dx of x is equals to d by dx of cos y minus d by dx of by square. See, b is constant, it will be as a coefficient. Okay, and d by dx of x is only 1, so it will be a into 1 is equals to cos y dy by upon dx. D by dx of cos y will be as it is. Okay, I wrote it as it is because here I am not getting x, it is y, so it will be as it is, and after that we will note down dy by dx. Okay, but see, it will not be cos y, sorry, it will be minus sin y. We note the differentiation of this as a coefficient here. Okay, this will be minus sin y dy by dx minus, it is b d by dx of y square. See, this is y square, its differentiation will be 2y. Okay, so I will note down 2y into dy by dx. Our next step, it is a is equals to minus sin y dy by dx minus 2by dy by dx. Dy by dx and dy by dx will be common, so it will be a is equals to minus sin y minus 2by dy by dx. Okay, so it will become at this side, it will be dy by dx is equals to a upon minus sin y minus 2by. It is my final answer.